question, exercise number 6.1, question number 2. Prove the following identities. The first Roman number is given as 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Then second Roman number is cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Let's see the first Roman number. So for solution, I take LHS side. The LHS side is 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1. See, here we want to prove the RHS side as tan. So I take this cot converted into a tan, means how you have to convert the numerator as it is 1 plus tan square theta divided by the reciprocal of cot is 1 divided by tan square theta is equal to cot square theta. The reciprocal of cot is tan. So we have 1 by tan square theta minus 1. Now here we have to take LCM here. In numerator 1 minus tan square theta divided by, if you take LCM means 1 minus tan square theta. This tan square theta is multiple here. So tan square theta into 1 is tan square theta divided by tan square theta. See, it is in the division. See, denominator of denominator turns to numerator. It is in the form of A divided by B divided by C divided by D, means when using the multiplication symbol, changing the division into multiplication means the second term will be reciprocal, D by C. So A by B into D by C is nothing but the denominator turns to numerator. So 1 minus tan square theta into tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. See, 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta, both are cancelled. Then we have tan square theta. This term is RHS. Hence proved. Let's see the second Roman number. Let's see the second Roman number. Cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to, we have to prove that secant theta minus tan theta. Let me take the LHS side. The LHS is nothing but cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. If you take the LHS side, here we have 1 plus sin theta, right? If the denominator term as like this 1 plus sin theta or 1 minus sin theta or 1 plus cos theta or 1 minus cos theta like this, you have to take the conjugate for this number. If you take the conjugate, cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into, here we have plus, right? So you have to take it as minus. Conjugate means you have to multiply and divide by the same terms. That is 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Now multiply the term cos theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So in the place of a is 1, 1 square is nothing but 1, minus, in the place of b is sin, so sin square theta. By the identity we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, right? If I take this sin to another side, we get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, right? If I take this sin theta to another side, we get 1 minus cos square theta is equal to, what is the value? 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So cos theta 1 minus sin theta divided by, in the place of 1 minus sin square theta, I am going to replace that cos square theta. That is cos square theta. Here numerator we have 1 cos theta. So 1 cos theta is cancelled. So 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. The denominator is common to both the numerator. In numerator we have two terms. So 1 divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Right? So the reciprocal of 1 by cos is nothing but secant theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. So this term is equal to RHS, hence proved. Thank you, students.